So in reality I haven't quite finished this set, so if you've seen the repair video you'll realise that, because when I came to put a speaker in this, the speaker I nicked from the radio also didn't work, so we're going to sort that out, and we will have sorted this out before we sell it. So we're running this on the extension speaker. So if you saw the repair video, it's out of the Lincolnshire batch, which is why I'm going to shove it on eBay. And it's actually come out a treat. It really works nicely. Not saying that. Oops. I'm not saying that just because we're flogging it. Whatever we sell it for will be less than the repair cost. And my camera seems to be dropping as we speak. Right. Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. So full 4-watt output and 0.57 microvolts for 12 dB on the receive, which is good for these. 8 new capacitors in it, and the meter on
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that.
Do you have a tone control?
No, I don't on this one.
Roger. Alright, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line. Oh, hiccups. Got you at the end of the line.
Roger, I wonder what happened to you there.
Passing Ancaster service station, 141.9 and 150.9.
Roger on that. It's nice to be able to do it when it's open.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
No, I took his time.
Yeah, a bit of a queue. The only problem with this time is there's quite a lot of traffic.
I'll remember to edit that bit out.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
We've already got you to the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Uniden Uniace 100. Some of the sets that we bought from that Lancashire batch, so we'll be offering through some sale on eBay for 441 now.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Crossing, over.
Where've you got you going over? Wilson Level Crossing.
Look at that. Right, I'm just passing the Kelby turn.
Roger. Got you at the Kelby turn.
Yeah, like I say, it's traffic, so probably not going as fast as we would be.
Roger, Roger.
Now passing the Greyleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Right, well, I'm on this Uniden Uniace 100 from 1981, and it is doing 1.1 amps, drawing 1.1 amps and delivering a full 4 watt output. I've been able to set load power for 400 milliwatts, so here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on 400 milliwatts. On low power level, it is 560 milliamps. That's 0.4 watt back to full power. And there we are back to full power, over.
Yep, roger that. Yeah, no problems on either. Nice, loud and clear.
And I'll just add them on a standard replacement mic. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rosby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rosby. We've got the petrol price at that end today, please, over.
Yep, 141.9, 151.9.
Well, that concludes the test. That worked very well.
Roger that.
Okay, 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rosby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rosby Level Crossing. And have we got a petrol price at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, 141.9, 151.9.
Right, well, that concludes the test. That worked very well.
Roger that.
Okay, 10-10.
10-10.
Right, so we'll be offering this with a new power lead, new mic, and a speaker that actually works. So go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Uniden Uniace 100 from 1981 into our Midland 76-900 base station using a standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we'll pop it onto low power hum test. And there we are on 400 milliwatts, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally back on to full power. Tomorrow I think there was a Binaturn long range of 40 amp portable. Thanks for watching.